Hello friends, today we are going to see the chapter that is permutation and combination, where we are going to solve the different kind of questions. Each question is different from each other, so there is no perfect formula that you can apply in this chapters. You have to apply your logic in every question, and every question is different from one another. So this is the beauty of this chapter, and there are types which I'm going to discuss with you. That if there is four people, right? Not four. There are, suppose, a committee in which you have to select four people, which include two men and two women. So if out of total 10 men and 10 women, so tell me in how many ways I can do this, right? So this is generally the way the question will come in your permutation and combination. So in this question you have to choose, right? You have to choose 2 men out of 10 men and 10 women out of 2 women. So where you are choosing the number of ways, or where you have particular choice, so this is generally called combination, right? Where you are choosing certain numbers, right, or certain things. But where you have to find number of ways how the things will happen, what is the numbers that can come. Like if I say by using first 5 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to make number. So how many number you can form without any repetition? So you know that the first place can be filled with 5 types, second can be 4, and third can be in 3 types, because one number is getting fixed every time, right? Because earlier you have 5 numbers which you fixed one number, so how many numbers are remaining? 4. Out of those 4 number you fix another number, so how many are remaining? 3. So now the first place is filled by 3, second is 4, and the last one is by 5 number. So if you multiply, you will come to know the answer, that is 60. So there's 60 ways you can do. So where you just have to find out the number of ways, the number of things, or the number of types you can do, right? This is called as generally permutation. Okay. So this is combination, this is permutation, as I told you. Okay. And the formula that you are going to use in combination is NCR, that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is the formula that you are going to use. Just give you an example. If there is 15C2, so this is n, this will be r, and if they ask you what is the value of it, so 15 factorial upon 15 minus 2, that is 13 factorial, into 2 factorial. So 15 into 14 into 13 factorial. So this 13 get cancelled, and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. This comes out to be 7. So 15 into 7, that is 105. So the value of the entire this thing will be 105. So this is how you need to solve. So this is the concept behind permutation and combination. Every type is different, every question is different. You have to apply the logic. Best thing about this chapter is this. So we will see the type of question in this chapter.